I'm a little army man. See, I have to make a man feel good about himself. See, you my man.
One thing about you can't work and talk at the same time. Let me keep it.
Please let me keep working. And that's our track.
That's
That's the spot.
put it up that way. Yeah.
Y'all got one ladder or two?
I'm sick. I can't reach it.
Yeah, I like that. That's smart. You ain't that tall, but you need it.
Oh, yes. I lift up on that. Right here. Open up. And coming back in the center of the wall. Lift it up. Alright.
See, I already feel my joints locking up.
Alright.
Right here,
This
I'm
is
getting
good
really.
Oh, this motherfucker part.
Nah, that's what it's about. As I said, that's what it's about. Strength and power.
Come on.
After you lose an old man.
64-year-old man.
Turn off the blues, man.
Are you ready?
Come on.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Bring it.
Let's try G.
He's going down. He's going
Oh man,
What, you think you could do
bro,
better?
I have a
bro,
better
how
chance
did
than
you win? How did you lose, bro?
I have a much better chance than you.
Man, I'm tired today, alright? Stop playing with me.
Oh no,
He's about old man.
60 something years old, bro.
64.
And that man still strong. Lord Jesus.
Look,
Yeah,
Marvel guy. And go Super Saiyan.
You know, it's a blessing for me to be here, to experience this, lifetime, be around such great, young, talented young men, especially the, wise guys, the older men, but I'm learning from the wise people. It's good to learn from the wise people and somebody that's over me, like the oldest, the youngest, I can always support the youth. Ain't nothing wrong with supporting the youth. That's why we need to have an organization where all youth and teens can come here and feel comfortable. That's why it's brotherhood. That's why I say it's about going hard and go home. But going home, that's not what you want to do. Go hard is what you want to do. Make it in a positive way instead of the negative way. So all the negative got to stay in the door. All the positive, come in the door.
Help him out.
I need but a couple of them in there.
Yep, that's it. Two or three.
Okay. This goes on that wall.
Up against this wall here.
This boy.
That man right there then lost his marble.
All right.